Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wiser. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat or how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. So first of all, you want to enter Snapchat. You want to type Snapchat. Let me click on it. So right now you're on the home page of Snapchat. What you want to do is you want to click on the profile picture. And from here, you want to click on settings. And on settings, you want to scroll down till you find app appearance. All you need to do is to set it to always dark, so you will always use a dark app appearance. Or you can change to match system that matches your iOS appearance settings. But I prefer to always use dark because I just like dark mode personally. And it's done. Now your Snapchat is in dark mode. It's literally that easy. You can see it on my chat feed here. They're all dark right now. That's it for the video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like this content. I really appreciate it and have a good rest of your day.